Server banners are generally undesired because they don't add value to the applications hosted on the server, but they can give away the brand of the server or even its patch level. We'll use PHP's X powered by as an example. So we have our browser set up to proxy its request to an interception proxy. That'll let us observe the traffic. So let's go ahead and turn the interception on, and we'll browse to a page. The request goes out to the server. Go ahead and forward that on. And when the server responds, one of the things it can add in is server banners. So example here is this X powered by that gives away that we're running PHP 7.4.14. There's also one for Apache right above it. So anyone browsing to this application would learn that the PHP server under the hood is not only PHP, but it's also running at that particular patch level. There's a couple ways to disable these banners. One is you can go into the configuration of the application server. Generally, there'll be some kind of setting in PHP. There's php.ini file. ASP.NET has the web.config, and so on. For example, if we take a look at PHP's ini, we can edit it. And in the case of PHP, there will be an expose PHP. So if we search for expose, you'll see that right now it's turned on. We could set that to off and restart the service, and then it would go ahead and turn it off. And it should be off by default in PHP, but not every brand works that way. Also, we can unset the headers with Apache. So if we were to edit Apache's settings, I've got a file here for the headers that gets included. And so if we go into headers.conf and we set header unset, which will remove a header that is passing through Apache server on its way back to the user, and then we just give it the name of the header we want to remove. Apache will take care of it. So we'll save this, and then we need to restart the service. Or we can reload the configuration. Either way is fine. Now we'll browse out to the site again. Here's the request. Forward that to the server, and the server responds. But this time you'll notice that there's no X powered by in there because we were able to remove it with the unset. So as a general best practice, you want to suppress any kind of server banners that are coming back from your web server or your application server or your application perhaps, in order to help prevent targeted attacks and also generally avoid leaking information about the platform to the web.